Honorable Chairperson, respected ma'am, and my dear friend. First of all, I would like to say very great morning to all of you. Myself Muskan Jan in front of you for first in the concert. My subject is science and my topic is why do we fall ill? When normal working of our body system gets disturbed, we feel sick. It can happen when the bacterium, virus, etc. enters our body or because of unhealthy living of exercising, like intake of drugs, excessive sugar and salt. There are two major kinds of disease. Infectious disease and non-infectious disease. Infectious diseases are those diseases which spread from one person to the another person, and the microbes are the immediate cause of this disease. For example, cough and cold, typhoid. Non-infectious diseases are those diseases which does not spread from one person to the another. For example, cancer. The two essential conditions for good health: good social environment, balanced diet. Good social environment is in neighborhood: malaria, typhoid, cough and cold. Common disease in neighborhood: malaria, typhoid, cough and cold. The two essential conditions for good health: good social environment, good economic condition and earning, balanced diet. The two essential conditions for good health: the two essential conditions for being free of disease: for being free of disease. Two essential conditions for being free of disease are living in a healthy and hygienic environment, get vaccination against infectious disease whenever required. Now, we do symptoms. Symptoms is headache and fever. Our second system is dysentery. Our third symptom is muscle pain. Our fourth symptom is patches. Cannot to see a doctor. If one of them symptoms were present, you still go to the doctor. Usually because one of them symptoms were observed as it does not harm our general health to the ability to work. But if one of them symptoms were observed for a long period of time, we consult a doctor for a proper treatment. Your disease but not be good mentally, socially and economically. Mentally, socially and economically. Jaundice was a long-term effect on our health. This chronic disease may be last for a long period of time. Jaundice goes and spread rapidly. Jaundice goes slowly and does not spread rapidly. Now, infectious disease spread from through air, through food and water by vectors. Many infectious diseases spread from infected person to the healthy person. Now, what are acute disease? Acute disease are those diseases which last for a very short period of time. For example, headache, cold. What are chronic disease? Chronic disease are those diseases which last for a very long period of time. For example, tuberculosis, jaundice. Chronic disease are those diseases which last for a very long period of time. For example, tuberculosis, jaundice. When we fall sick, normal body functioning get disturbed and do not function properly. As a result of improper digestion ability, we lose appetite and absorption of food is slow. We are advised to take bland and nourishing food during sickness because it is easily digested and provides minerals and vitamins. Now, immunization. When the body attains immunity in any disease due to the acceleration, for example, typhoid. What is immunization program? Immunization program. Six to 9 weeks polio and DPT. Chicken pox, hepatitis A and B. 9 to 12 months. Chicken pox, hepatitis A and B. Now, when your friend is suffering from measles, as it is an infectious disease, name any two diseases which spread from bacteria: tuberculosis, typhoid. This is caused by bacteria, tuberculosis and typhoid. The two diseases caused by virus, polio and chickenpox. What are antibiotics? Antibiotic, the drugs that block the biochemical pathway important for bacteria. Now, this is all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.